So I'm reporting a car stolen. His name is Andy. He actually booked a reservation to come in today.
Did you say Andy?
Yeah.
I just saw him yesterday.
This is the demand letter we sent. This is the FedEx timestamp that we sent it to him. This is the registration and all the information for it. And the affidavit, the notary, and then my signature. And
okay, when was he supposed to return it?
He was supposed to return it a while ago. He picked it up in January. It's a Toyota Corolla that's just been in the wind.
Yeah, okay. I saw it yesterday.
He was supposed to return it on the 6th, but he kept extending. But
okay.
This is just the contract that they had printed out. He only made one form of payment when he picked up. It was converted on the 12th of January. He hasn't made any payment since. He doesn't pick up the phone, answer emails, or anything.
Okay.
And it's already March.
Give me a minute. Yeah, thank you. But I've been driving this car around since January.
Why are they just reporting this?
I have no idea.
So yeah, we're pressing charges and everything. The funny part, I just think it's weird because literally I was talking to my risk manager, doing everything. I called you guys, and then his reservation just came in.
Oh, wow.
Like he literally just booked a reservation, like Andy coming in around 3 o'clock to pick up a rental.
All right, did you guys?
I haven't. He's like he didn't answer the phone. I just called to see if he was going to answer and confirm. Yeah. He didn't answer the phone. So.
All right. If he comes at 3 o'clock, can you contact us?
Yeah, he's scheduled to come in at 3:30.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
Right.
About an hour later, Enterprise was able to track the stolen vehicle and quickly notified the sheriff's office, providing the vehicle's current location. Deputies responded to the address and found the vehicle with Andy.
White truck. Come here, 1305.
704. 10 miles the subject. The vehicle on scene. Mr. Can you step out of the vehicle, sir? Can you step out?
You want me to do what?
I need you to step out of the vehicle, sir.
For what?
I need you to step out of the vehicle, sir. Can I talk to you for a second? I can't hear you.
Heavy traffic stop, report the mobile PC.
Can you roll down the window, sir? 7114. Subject refuses to get out of the vehicle.
Number 1305.
I need you to get out of the car, sir. Can you open the door? Told you. Mr. We need to talk to you. Can you please step out of the vehicle?
The rental car called us about the rental car. You got to get out and talk to us. You got to step out and talk to us. No, you can step out of the car. You got a baton?
Yeah, but I got a window bar. I mean, I got the breaker. You want me to get that? You want me to get the breaker?
Sure.
All right.
They want to report this car stolen. You haven't paid for it since January. Get out of the car. Yes, get out of the car. All right, we're gonna remove you from the car one way or the other. You got it?
Yeah. Sir.
Grab it. Just grab it.
We just need to get the car. That's it. That's it.
So? Okay, just don't put your hands on top of me.
All right, just step out.
I'm going to step out. Do not put your hands on top of me. All right? I'm tired of you guys' lies here. You guys have been lying way too much. All right, you have your cameras on?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
All right, I want to speak to your cameras. Do not touch me.
Okay.
All right, let me speak to your cameras straight up and down.
You want to tell us your side of the story?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you the side of the story.
Okay.
So before you
we'll
don't touch me.
listen to it. That's fine.
Okay,
just,
just don't touch me.
Okay. What's going on?
What's happening here is, my man, is that these guys have been running a scam with a phone in this town. Okay, that's number one.
What do you mean the phone?
No, listen to me, my man. Listen to me. You put me through the court system with Judge Hamilton with the same with the U-Haul story. All right, they've been bullshitting the driver's license. They've been bullshitting the scam inside of that story. All right, I have it all on tape. I got all the proof of that. They dismissed the case with that story too. All right, you want me to go over to the rental car place? We can talk over there.
Okay, so they called us.
Okay, right? they called, but they see me every single day. Even the men in the rental car place see me every day.
You've gone into that store every day.
Every day they see me passing the store.
But you have gone into the store
and spoke to the woman and the Spanish girl there too. So if you want to follow me over there and let them tell me that to my face, then you can put that on camera too.
Okay, you rented the car in January, right?
Rented the car in January.
Okay.
All I want to say is this. All I want to say is whatever civil matter they want to deal with inside of a courtroom with me, they can deal with that civil matter in the courtroom.
Okay.
That's all I have to say.
The rental company has reported the car stolen.
It can't be stolen if I'm in front of them every single day, my man, and I'm here every day inside of all of your police.
Okay.
All right?
They took all the actions they could to try to reach out to you. They sent certified letters to you.
No, they didn't send. No, they didn't send certified nothing because every night I sleep right next to the other vehicle. No,
okay.
Every night
so you don't live at the address of where you gave.
That address, they don't forget the address.
Okay.
All right, you can't tell me that story no more because I've been.
And they said they've been trying to call you too.
No, my man, the phone. They just changed this phone. All right, the reality of
you don't have the same number as when you rented the
No,
phone.
I've had the same number the whole time, okay? I have the same number the whole time. What I want for you guys to understand is this, all right? These guys have been running a scam the whole time. I've been inside, right next to where the Paradise Bonds is.
How many times has he paid since he rented in January?
He only paid the one time.
The initial rental fee, and that's it.
He was gonna extend it, and then after the 12th, he didn't had to pay. You haven't paid anything since the 12th of January.
All I'm saying is take me to the man over there, or you want to drive the vehicle over there, whatever you guys want to do, and I can go in the back of your squad car over there. Whatever it takes. I'm not getting no handcuffs put on top of me. I don't want to listen to
Listen,
nothing.
if we put you in the car for our safety, you're going to be in handcuffs. Doesn't
No,
mean
I'm
you're
not.
under arrest.
No, I'm not going to be in handcuffs. I'm not going to let you people touch me no more. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't want to fight with nobody. You guys have been running a scam in this town for too long.
You said you talked to somebody over there, right?
I talked to the Spanish girl there the whole
Spanish
time.
girl when?
Not even 5 days ago.
Okay. And you told her, hey, I got the car, everything's good, and she said everything's good?
No, she sees me all the time. I just said, look, hey, I'm right here. This is where I'm at all the time,
Okay.
and that was it.
Okay.
Nothing more. So you can use that on tape too, and you can bring the Spanish girl there too. I'm not going to keep on listening to this scam if every night I stay right next to my other vehicle.
So this is the deal. With a rental car, once you rent a car...
No, I'm not going to listen. You did the same thing with the U-Haul. You put me through a court for 15 months. You dismissed...
You rented a U-Haul and didn't pay for it, or what?
No, the same shit you guys did here. 15 months you put me through a courtroom for a U-Haul truck. You beat me down with the police too. All right, and then you dismissed the case too. And you're sitting here running fabricated licenses that are...
Since deputies were pretty much done with his bullshit, they decided it was time to arrest him.
I spoke to the judge, and I spoke to her right and clear to her face, and to the lawyers too.
All right, well...
You're running fabricated licenses too.
15, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right, just put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not letting you touch me. I'm not letting you.
You're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna tase you.
Don't touch
Put your
me.
hands behind your
Don't
back.
touch me. Don't touch me.
Hands behind your back now.
Don't touch me. I swear to God, if you taste me,
on the ground. On the ground. So I want to 14. Hands behind your back.
oh, he's dead. You killed him.
Start right side. Hands behind your back now.
I swear to God.
Hands behind your back.
I swear to God.
Hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your... I'm going to tase you again. I'm going to tase you again. Hands behind your back. I'm going to tase you again. Hands behind your back now. Put them behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I can't move my hands.
Yes, you can. Put it behind your back now. Move your arm. I'm going to tase you again.
I can't.
Put it behind your back.
I can't move my hands. You guys did this to me. You 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 did this to me. I didn't do this to you. You guys lied to me. You lied to me. And I swear.
I don't think they're in him.
I swear.
What?
I don't think they're in him. They're right here.
I swear.
Could have made this a lot easier if you didn't do that.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Resisted. We told you to
I
stop.
didn't resist
We told you
nothing.
to put your hands behind your back. And
I didn't resist nothing. You guys are liars. You're lying. You fucking lying, bro.
Eddie, come on. Roll on your back.
Yeah, sit him up.
We want to get you off the pavement, please. Let's roll over, please.
I swear to God.
Sit up. Lean him against the car if you can.
I swear to God. I swear to God.
You want to stand or you want to just set him in your car?
Yeah, bring him in the car.
All right. I mean, Rescue's got to look at him anyway. Come on, Andy. Make it easy for us, bud.
I didn't do nothing to you. I swear to you, man, I'm gonna sue these people for all of this you did to me. I swear to you, I'm gonna make it for it.
Come on, Andy.
Have a seat.
Please. Make it easy for us.
I didn't do nothing to you people. I swear to God.
Come on, Andy.
I swear to you, bro.
Watch your head, please.
Sit down.
I swear to you.
Let me go to the other side of him.
I didn't do
Prop him up. Enjoying your vacation? I figured we were going to have to drag him across, so I just took this out. I don't know if you want to put it in the bed. Season now?
Yeah, I guess so.
Ambulance is already on the way, so. Andy, say something. We got ambulance on the way, all right, Andy?
We'll get you on the ambulance, okay?
Get you going.
Could have all been avoided, man.
No, he's fine. He's just spitting.
He's all right.
He's in the recovery position. He's fine.
You want to sit up or stay like you're laying? All right.
He's breathing.
All the probes are already out, so
Yeah.
just put them on there and one of us follow. Sit up. Put your legs up. Sit up. Lean against your tire.
He's just gonna play fainting goat for now. He's got plenty of chest rise. He's fine.
If you want to keep your face on the pavement, that's your own choice, buddy. I'm just trying to help you sit up so you don't have to have your head on the concrete. That's what you choose, buddy. That's fine.
Andy, would you like to get off the pavement?
You want to sit up and get your head off the pavement? It's hot. You want me to sit you up? Come on, sit up, man. It could have been avoided, dude. All you had to do was just let us deal with this. Could have been done a lot easier, man. You can lean against right here. You can lean against my leg, okay?
This could have been avoided. It's a lot easier for you.
Yeah, I'm just saying, if you wouldn't have done what you did, this would have been a lot easier.
Now, I'm doing what I did.
Okay, then that's fine.
That's what you're going to say to me now?
You want to get inside the car? What are you doing?
I want to stand up, dude.
You're not going to stand up. You're either going to sit on the ground or you're going to sit in the car. Those are the only two options that I'm giving you.
You're going to put that camera on my face and let me speak to that camera.
Okay.
All right? You put the camera onto my face and you let me speak to your camera. Look what's going on in this place in your town, all right? Your name is Officer Farr, right?
Yes, sir.
You was inside Pennicke's Park for all of that time with me in there. All of your police sit here blinking lights at people. You pretend like all of the people are your friends. And in addition to that, you guys have been running a fabricated license through your court system and running fabricated citations since 2019 inside of your courtroom. Since 2019, you've been running these fabrications. You pull people over, you write these citations, you run them through the court system. You run bailiff on top of them, you spit them in and outside of the courtrooms through bail. You take the bail money from percentages from people. You never care to understand what you're writing. All of this is unjustifiable work that you guys have been doing in this town. All right, you know it. You ran me 15 months through a court system so you can dismiss the case too. This is what you guys do. And you know you've been doing it the whole time. And the whole time I've been telling you guys you've been running this fabricated story since Madison to here, and I've never left your town the whole time I've been here. The whole time I've been with you guys every single night. And I sleep right next to the vehicle, right next to the Paradise Bondsman Place every night.
Can I put my camera back on?
No, what I'm saying to you is that you don't see anything wrong with that.
Andy.
Do you see anything wrong with that? Do you see that you can do that?
I don't, first of all, I don't know what you're talking about. I just wait.
How is it that you don't know what I'm talking about? You're selling fabricated licenses.
I don't sell anything.
Well, you're writing citations to them and they're being told to you in front of Judge Hamilton.
What
inside
citation?
All the citations you wrote. The ones you wrote inside of Pennicke's Park.
I don't write inside.
No, the ones you wrote every time you pull somebody over.
How is that fabricated? I don't make those.
No, it doesn't matter whether you make them or not. And don't try to call her somebody how to speak. You put them through a court system for 15 months. It was told to the attorney. It was told to the attorney generals. This is what you guys have been doing the whole time.
You're saying all cops do that?
All of you guys pulling people over. You write these things up. You pretend like it doesn't exist. You put it on paperwork. You sign off on it. The bailsmen sign off on it. You spit them. You put the money in your pockets at percentage rates. You put people outside back on the street, and that's what you do time and time again.
Why don't you tell me? Okay, instead of stuff that I don't know what you're talking about, why don't you tell me about this rental car?
I don't need to tell you nothing more. There's nothing really more to say. You want to talk about things, you should start talking about where you violate people's constitutional rights.
This ain't my case, so...
It doesn't matter whose case it is. You sit there every single day running someone's plates through the system, running people's IDs through them. You card people up. You know it. You run DMV assessments on one vehicle versus the next vehicle, and you know you're doing it all unjustifiably. And when it's told to you inside of a courtroom, that is what you do.
He's got a couple scrapes.
Okay.
Probably just load him up with you.
As far as the handcuffs go,
He's in custody.
can you handcuff him to the structure? Because I can't have him.
He's gonna have to sit because he's already fought us once. That's why he's...
Okay.
No, I didn't fight nobody. You fought me. Because I told you, I gave you options. I told you could have drove me to the place.
They already resisted once.
No, there's no resisting. You took me through a court system and fabricated paperwork and dismissed the case. Look what I want to do here, man. I want to put this on camera too. You mind if I grab my plastic bag that's inside of my pocket?
Your plastic bag? Go ahead.
All right, do you have a knife there? You can cut it open because you got me tied up here. I want to put this on camera so you guys know exactly what you guys are doing wrong here.
Okay.
All right, so do you mind helping me out here or
When
what?
they stand you up, I'll grab it out of your pocket. You're not patient. Just wait. I'll grab it out of your pocket when they stand you up.
All right, and I want the cameras to see it.
That's fine. I'll put it back on my chest so it sees everything.
I want to put it all on record.
They're coming to pick it up.
Forward or anything?
No, because we were holding him up when he got tased. So we...
1, 2, 3. So what's the story with him?
Vehicle was reported stolen this morning out of Enterprise. It was supposed to be due back January 17th, and he hasn't returned it, hasn't made contact with him But we received a call that the vehicle was parked here, and when we got here, he was in the vehicle. So we refused to get out. Finally able to convince him to come out, and then when we went to handcuff him, he
I'm gonna take it off your back.
Right, no, put it right here. Just put it right there.
All right, Andy, we gotta get going. We don't have time for games, okay?
This has to be on body camera.
Okay.
So you guys see what you've been doing. This is my birth certificate that was given
good.
to you here in Key Largo.
Yeah.
This is my social security that's attached to it right here. That was given in Key Largo.
Okay.
It's out of your place. This is the license that you fabricate, that you on tape doing it. This is what you guys are doing. You pull people over, you put people through a court system. The last time you did the same thing, and you dismissed the case of 15 months of running me through a court system. This is what you did. You done violated my rights the entirety of the process doing this, while I never left your town, and I've been in this town almost 6 years with you. This is what it is. And since 2019, when you go to the vehicle next to Paradise.
Roll while he talks.
All of it. Okay?